What's up mga kabayan? Meron na naman tayo dito bibigyan ng reaksyon. Natatawa tayo mga kabayan. Kasi kaya naman ng bangayan nitong dalawang senador na to mga kabayan. Nito ni Rapi Tulfo at saka ni Cynthia Villar mga kabayan. Nagkakahamunan din mga kabayan na magpalay detector test na lupet. Kung yung kabila mga kabayan sa Wadcom ay nagbibigay na ng pabuya para doon kay Mary Grace Piatos daw mga kabayan. Piatos ang apelyido. Ano ang apelyido yan? Chichirya Nagbibigay na ng 1 million mga kabayan na pabuya kung sino daw yan makakapagturo kay sa palagay nyo kayo milalabas na Mary Grace Piatos. Ay di ni mga kabayan ay magpapalay detector test naman itong si Tulfo at saka si Villar mga kabayan dyan sa ginanap na budget hearing para sa DNR kasi ang tagapagtanggol mga kabayan ng budget ng DNR ay si Cynthia Villar mga kabayan. So anyway, ayan, maraming salamat sa mga bagong subscriber natin dito sa ating channel, sa mga nagsishare, nagla-like ng ating video. Maraming salamat mga kabayan. At syempre, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating channel, inaanyayahan kita na mag-subscribe, mag-like at mag-share na rin. Nang sa ganun mga kabayan, mas marami pa yung mga panood ng mga gantong eksena na nangyayari sa ating gobyerno. Yung isa mga kabayan, ang sabi katatanim lang namin hinarbis na agad. Okay, tamo yun. Napakalupit. Ngayon mga kabayan yun nagpa-pray over. At talagang malala na mga kabayan tuwing na lang magsasalita malayo sa hulaw. Pakinggan natin na rin mga kabayan si Rapi Tulfo.
Kayo po, madam. Negosyante po kayo, madam sponsor.
But it doesn't solve the legal problem of masonry.
I'm not talking about madam sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
If you are a businessman, everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessman maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi.
Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even...
Nagpaparinig mga kabayan ng malala din si Rapi Tulfo. Kasi simula pa lang sa mga businessman ng padali, mga abusadong businessman. Parang tinatamaan niya mga kabayan si Villar. Abusado daw
The phone call, tawagin Masungi.
Tawagin.
Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling. DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test. Polygraph test para malaman kung sinungaling.
Pwede ba mga kabayan, nasabi ni Rapi Tulfo, gusto mo magpalay detector tayo kung sino sa atin dalawa sinungaling. Si Villar ay sagot we.
They cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Quarry operator. Thank you. And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay, well, I'll identify the second one, Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So, quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi Gear Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Kim Song Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture. Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila dyan sa project transfer. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Ba't sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the governor of Rizal, stakeholders in Rizal. Hindi ang nag-imbita sa kanila, yes. DNR.
Yes, di po ba? Dapat bilang secretary ng DNR, tinatanong niya, karapatan niya itanong kung sino-sino ang magdadalo sa isang pagtitipon.
But they cancel. You cancel.
Inside.
That's a DNR event, actually. So, ang DNR must have the call kung sinong imbitahan at sinong hindi. Hindi naman event yan ng governor Event po yan ng DNR. So ang DNR dapat ang gumagawa ng guest list. Hindi po si governor. Kahit na halimbawa inibitahan ni governor, pero pwede naman tablahin ni DNR secretary. Sabihin, I don't want that two persons invited because may mga problema sila. nasuspindi namin yung kanilang mga permits. And then I don't want to be mixed with those two individuals.
Rapid City company inside the Masungi Reserve was canceled in 2023 because it's inside the protected area.
Tama po.
Italy, who is operating outside, is still operating.
Yun nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Now, siyempre, ang DNR may control doon sa guest list, doon sa mga taong imbitahan nila o hindi. Okay, sinasabi ng DNR, those two people were invited by the governor. Pero,
The governor of Rizal.
exactly. Pero sila pa rin may control kung sino ang papupuntahin nila o hindi, regardless who invited the governor, because that's an event of the DNR, that's not an event.
My dear Senator, when the governor is inviting people, the DNR cannot stop the governor.
No, but
That's the reality of life in the Philippines. Like for me, if I am in Las Piñas and the mayor of Las Piñas will invite people, I cannot say that, look, I don't like these people. You don't do that.
no, ma'am. Kasi kung ako po ang nasa sitwasyon dyan at ako po ang secretary ng DNR, ako po ang may
Ito kasi mahirap mga kabayan kay Rapi Tulfo no? Yan yung mahirap sa'yo, Senator Rapi Tulfo. Lagi mong ilalagay yung sarili mo doon sa hindi mo naman hawak yung isip ng tao, di ba? Bakit mo ba pinakikialaman? No? Siguro mga kabayan, yung pinupunto kasi dito ni Rapi Tulfo, bakit nga naman na nandyan pa yan? Dapat hindi imbitado yan dyan kasi kansilado na yung mga license na mag-operate ng ng pagkakwari, mga ganon mga kabayan. Pero hindi mo pwede sabihin na dapat kung ako yan, hindi kung ikaw yan, kaso hindi ikaw yan O diba mga kabayan? Napakalabo mo yung Rapi Tulfo. Hindi ko na
kung sino yung mga guest na papasok. Pwede ko pong harangin yung mga taong ayaw kong papasukin regardless kung yan ay kasama ni Governor. Siguro naman may mga PA siya o EA na magsasabi sa kanya, sorry po Gov, wag muna natin siya isama kasi may problema po yan.
The governor cannot do that.
Well, I thought...
I mean, I'm a politician. You don't do that when you're governor.
Well, I'm also a politician, but
yeah,
I have the right.
What's good is that the Rapid City was canceled because it's inside a protected area.
I know.
Italy was not canceled because it's operating outside the protected area.
Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ulitin ko. At sasabihin kong dahilan kung bakit ko pinakita yung picture na yan.
Mm-hmm.
Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Project Transform. Now, before I proceed, nandyan ho ba si Gob? Si Governor Henares? Nandyan po siya? Okay? Exactly. So, bit-bit ni Governor. Pero, if I were the Secretary, meron naman sigurong karapatan magsabi, Gob, pwede ba? Huwag mo muna natin isama yung dalawa. Magkakaroon tayo ng picture taking at baka magkakaroon ng kulay out of delikadesa kasi may problema yan. Ayaw ko makahalo-bilo mga yan dito. Siguro naman si Governor magsasabi, of course, kasi event nyo ito, gagalangin ko yung request mo. I don't think the governor would say, no, hindi pwede, bisita ko to I don't think the governor would say that.
Don't think the governor will say that, but
Exactly.
In his mind, he cannot say, like if you're constituent in the province, you cannot say it directly to your constituent. Oo.
So that
Kahit
means,
na gusto niyan sabihin, hindi niya,
yes, so that means the governor has a say on environmental regulations.
not
But this is-
necessarily.
Therefore, may karapatan ng DNR na tumanggi kung sino yung mga bisitang ayaw na papasukin niya sa event nila. Because that was a DNR event. Now, sasabihin ko kung reason kung bakit. DNR is set to cancel the contract of Masungi Georeserve Foundation Incorporated over Marikina Watershed. They might have the right to do so legally, but morally, no. Some people will say that. They have the legal right to do it, but it is not in accordance to good practice. Sisibakin nyo yung masungi and then papasok ng Project Transform na kasama dyan ay itong dalawang mga grupo na sinuspindi ang permit ng DNR. At hindi man lang inibitahan yung mga taga-masungi sa gathering na yan.
No, Litali is operating outside Masungi.
Kaya nga po,
The other one lang is operating inside Masungi, and their permit was canceled.
Yes, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Meron ho bang invited dyan ang taga-Masungi?
Meron. Kung may invited daw doon taga-Masungi.
They were invited, ma'am, but they didn't.
Bukod sa hindi invited yung Masungi, wala rin pong representative na indigenous tribe leaders and watershed NGOs.
They said that this
They were not as well invited. Ang imbitado lamang yung dalawang personality na binanggit ko na meron pong problema sa DNR, mismo DNR na nag-cancel ng kanilang permit in 2022.
This is a transdisciplinary approach towards natural reserves, conservation, and resilience through multi-stakeholder collaboration.
Disciplinary.
So, nag-invite po sila dun sa Masungi, na taga-Masungi, hindi nagpunta, pero yung IPs may nagpunta.
No, they were not invited, Madam Sponsor. Now, you did mention about disciplinary so-and-so. So, dinisiplina itong dalawa at inibita matapos sila disiplinahin. If they were disciplined, then they should not be there in the first place. Why were they there? Bakit po hindi inibitahan yung Masungi? No, Masungi wasn't invited. Not even the indigenous tribe leaders, maging po yung mga watershed NGOs. Ang in-invite lang yung mga nasuspindi o sinuspindi ng DNR. Sinuspindi ang mga permit dahil sa quarry.
Ang ito lahat na invite. They have a list of those invited, and one of them is the indigenous people mandatory representative in Tanay, Rizal.
Saan po dyan at anong pangalan po ng mga indigenous people representatives? Saan po? Can you give me the names? Madam Sponsor, Mr. President?
They will give the attendance record to you, the list of the attendance record to you. You will be furnished.
Kasi nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, sana man lang, out of courtesy and respect sa Masungi, they should have been invited. Kasi nga po, yung Masungi Geo-Reserve, napakaraming awards po natanggap yan. Since 2016, Model for Balanced Man-Nature Interaction, World Conservation Congress 2016. 2018, Special Commendations, Pathfinder Award, Innovations for Conservation, Financing and Resourcing. 2020, Top 5 Finalists, Win-Win, Gothenburg Sustainability Youth Award. 2021, Winner Vanity Fair's 2021 Changing Your Mind Travel Awards and Hollywood Issue. First place, Water Change Maker Awards 2021 Global Water Partnership. Warriors of the Year, Esquire Man of at his best 2021. Heroes and Mavericks. 2022, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Awardee Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia 2022. Winner International Union for Conservation of Nature. World Commission on Protected Areas 2022 International Ranger Awards. Winner Sustainability Initiative Award. Bet Asia Awards 2022. 2024 Asia Pacific Social Innovation Partnership Award held on May 4, 2024 in Taiwan.
So, ayun, mga kabayan, ito yung matinding talakayan nila ditong dalawa, about dito sa budget ng ng DNR, yung mayroon palang dalawa mga kabayan diyan na natanggalan ng lisensya, mga kabayan, suspendido. Ginigit dito mga kabayan ni Rapi Tulfo, ba't nga naman daw di sinama yung Masungi, Masungi Corporation? Eh baka mga kabayan yung nagreklamo din dito kay Tulfo. Ano? Eh bakit yung dalawang tulunggis mga kabayan na natanggalan ng lisensya ay nandun? Eh bakit kami hindi nakapunta? Eh kami best award, di ba mga kabayan? Siguro yun lang yung gustong punto dito ni Tulfo, no, mga kabayan. At yan, nagkakahamunan sila dyan mga kabayan ng lie detector test. Alam nyo naman to si Rapi Tulfo mga kabayan, laging si lie detector test to. Na kahit hindi inuunor sa korte, sige, lie detector test tayo. Halos lahat na lie detector test. So anyway mga kabayan, yan lang, hanggang dyan lang yung ating video, no? At ayan, hanggang dyan lang naman din talaga yung video mga kabayan. So anyway, maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo dito sa ating video mga kabayan. Hindi na tayo na masyadong nagbigay ng komento patungkol dito sa video na to kasi ayan, narinig naman natin mga kabayan yung tinatalakay nila. At anyway, ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kabayan at see you sa susunod na video. God bless sa inyo lahat.